Point an AI assistant at any folder: code, documents, papers, images, even YouTube videos. And it builds a queryable knowledge graph connecting every concept, function, and relationship. That's Graphify. 23,500 GAI-EHub stars. It works with 11 AI assistants, and it reduces token usage by up to 71 times. Graphify is an AI coding assistant skill created by Safi Shamsi that converts any folder of mixed content into a structured, queryable knowledge graph. It's not just a code indexer, it's multimodal. It processes 22 programming languages through treesitter AST parsing, reads PDFs and Markdown documentation, analyzes images and diagrams, and transcribes videos and audio locally using Whisper. The result is an interactive graph that shows how everything connects, which functions call which, how documentation relates to implementation, what concepts link across files, and where the architectural boundaries are. It works with 11 AI assistants: Claude Code, Codex, OpenCode, Cursor, Gemini CLI, GitHub Copilot, CLI, Aider, OpenClaw, FactoryDroid, Tray, and Google Anti-Gravity. You type Is Graphify in your assistant, it processes the folder, and you can immediately start querying the graph with natural language questions like what connects the authentication module to the billing system. The project has 23,500 stars, 2,500 forks, and is MIT licensed. On a mixed corpus of code, papers, and images, Graphify achieves a 71.5x token reduction, meaning your AI assistant can understand the entire codebase context using 71 times fewer tokens than reading the raw files. Let's look at the repo. 23,500 stars and 2,500 forks for a knowledge graph tool shows massive demand for understanding code bases beyond simple search. The code base is Python, currently on v4 branch, with 137 commits showing focused development. The README is comprehensive: installation, platform-specific configuration for each of the 11 supported assistants, usage examples, and architecture documentation. There's a detailed explanation of the 3-pass processing pipeline, privacy guarantees for code processing, and benchmark data on token reduction. The MIT license with a GitHub sponsors badge suggests the author is building this as a sustainable open-source project. Graphify processes content in 3 distinct passes, each optimized for different trade-offs. Pass 1 is deterministic AST extraction. Treesitter parses your code files into abstract syntax trees, extracting functions, classes, imports, and call relationships without any LLM involvement. This is fast, free, and guaranteed accurate because it's parsing, not predicting. No code content leaves your machine during this pass. Pass 2 is local Whisper transcription for any video or audio files in the folder. Faster Whisper runs on your machine with a domain-aware prompt derived from your corpus, so the transcription understands the technical vocabulary of your project. Results are cached by SHA-256 hash, so videos are only transcribed once. Pass 3 is parallel Claude subagent extraction for semantic relationships. This is where the LLM reads documentation, papers, and images to extract conceptual connections that AST parsing can't capture. Architectural rationale from comments, design decisions from docs, relationships between visual diagrams and code implementations. Each pass adds a different layer of understanding to the graph. Structural relationships from code, temporal context from recorded content, and semantic meaning from documentation and research. Graphify produces 3 output artifacts. The interactive graph.html file uses vis.js to render a navigable visualization of the entire knowledge graph with community filtering. Leiden clustering groups related nodes into communities without requiring embeddings, purely based on graph topology. You can filter by community, zoom into specific clusters, and trace connection paths visually. The graph.report.md file is the most immediately useful. It identifies God nodes with too many connections, highlights surprising cross-module relationships, and suggests questions you should ask about the architecture. It's like having a senior engineer review your codebase structure and point out what's interesting and what's concerning. The graph.json file persists the full graph for programmatic querying. Every edge is tagged, extracted for direct code relationships, inferred with a confidence score from 0 to 1 for semantic connections, or ambiguous for flagged uncertain relationships. The graph also supports hyperedges connecting 3 or more nodes when relationships involve multiple entities simultaneously. Installation is one pip command: pip install Graphify, then Graphify install to configure for your AI assistant. For Claude Code, It sets up a pre-tool use hook and adds entries to your Claude.md. For Cursor, it creates a rules file. For other assistants, it uses agents.md or the equivalent configuration. Once installed, type .Is Graphify with a directory path to process. The mode deep flag enables aggressive inference for finding non-obvious connections. The update flag does incremental processing, only reanalyzing files that changed since the last run, using SHA-256 caching. The watch flag auto-syncs the graph when files change. You can also add external content, or Graphify add with an archive URL fetches papers, or with a YouTube URL downloads and transcribes videos. And Graphify query lets you ask natural language questions directly against the graph. Graphify's privacy model is clearly defined. Code files are processed entirely locally through tree-sitter AST parsing. No file contents leave your machine for code. Video and audio files are transcribed locally using faster Whisper. Audio data never leaves your machine either. The only content that requires API calls is semantic extraction from documents, papers, and images, which goes through your AI assistant's underlying model using your own API credentials. This means your proprietary code and sensitive audio recordings stay local, while only documentation and image descriptions are processed through the LLM. The SHA-256-based caching system ensures that files are only processed once. Subsequent runs on the same directory are incremental, only analyzing what changed. This makes Graphify practical for large repositories where full processing would be expensive. And the watch mode keeps the graph in sync with your development without reprocessing unchanged files. If you're onboarding onto a new codebase and need to understand the architecture quickly, Graphify's Knowledge Graph and Graph Report give you the structural overview that would take days of manual code reading. If you're using any AI coding assistant and want it to have deeper context about your project, the 71.5x token reduction means your assistant understands more of the code base with fewer tokens. If your project includes mixed content, code, documentation, research papers, video recordings, diagrams, Graphify is the only tool that connects all of these into a single queryable graph. If you care about code privacy and want local processing for your proprietary code, the tree-sitter and Whisper passes keep everything on your machine. And if you're a team that uses multiple AI assistants, Graphify's support for 11 platforms means everyone can access the same knowledge graph regardless of their preferred tool. MIT licensed, one pip install command, and arguably the most comprehensive multimodal code intelligence tool available in the entire open-source ecosystem right now. The Enterprise Extension PenPacks applies the same architecture to browser history, meetings, and emails, fully on-device with no cloud storage required. That's Graphify. Any folder of code, documents, images, and videos becomes a queryable knowledge graph. 23,500 stars, 11 AI assistant integrations, and a privacy model that keeps your code local. GitHub link in the description. Subscribe to Prism Labs for more AI deep dives and developer tool breakdowns.